The modern commercial kitchen is a fast-paced, busy operation with lots of moving parts. A constant flow of prep work, cooking and cleaning, creating lots of daily waste streams in the process. To help prevent problems from prep, plate waste, and residual grease causing clogs in drain systems and grease traps, now there is Scrap Drain, a built-in solid separator that seamlessly captures organic scraps for easy transfer to compost or other recycling options. Scrap Drain is a simple design with powerful downstream impact. Pipes stay clearer, wastewater will be cleaner, and landfills receive less emissions-causing organic material. Scrap Drain is a better way for today. To learn more, please visit scrapdrain.com.